Hi everyone, Sandy Trefger here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have designed this fun Happy Summer Days box pocket folio album for Country Craft Creations using Cartabella's Summer Market paper collection. Let's take a quick look at this folio album. It measures 6 1/4 by 7 3/4. It has about a 1 3/4 inch spine once it's all finished and wrapped. So on the front here, I added used some of the pattern paper from the collection. And again, this is Cartabella's Summer Market 12 by 12 paper collection that you can order from Country Craft Creations. I used the floral piece here. I added on a doily from my stash, matted some of the red to a scrap of black cardstock. That's the only black that I used in here. You could use more in your album if you want to. And then I added this cut apart that says Happy Summer Days with this adorable vintage camper. Some of the brad from the collection, and I added some button string twine with another brad, and I tied on a little ladybug charm from Butterbee Scraps. I have a triple ribbon tie closure here on the side, and on the back I just added the piece to hold the ribbon down, and then I added the Summer Market Cartabella branding strip here on the back so that I would remember what collection I use. So we just untie this. These are all triple ribbons are like tied together on the ends to keep them tied together neatly, and I crinkled them up. So you open this up and it gets the name box pocket because there is a pocket inside this box shape here. You'll see it has the 1 inch box depth there. So let me grab something so I can show you. Here on the left side I have a tuck spot here, and this lifts up, has a magnet closure. Let's slide it down so we can see good. Let me zoom out. That will help a lot. Okay, there we go. So here on the top, patterned this, I added a tight belly band, so I have 2 cut aparts in there. You can add photos and more photo mats there if you wanted to. This is glued down the front because I like, or the front of this, never pass up an opportunity to enjoy the beauty of summer. And then this flips down, so I left the bottom down here blank for a nice photo. And then inside we have 4 by 6 photo flips. So I used a puffy sticker that says Happy Summer, and it just flips up. I left the backs blank for just the cardstock so that you can add pictures. You can also put pictures on the pattern, so they're just alternated, stacked here like this. There's 3 on each side. Nice space in here for photos, and then if you just alternate these, they will lay down nice and flat for this side of the folio. Has a spine here in the center, and then over here we have a magnetic closure flap. I used chipboard stickers, puffy stickers. I added a seam binding bow. You can get the seam binding from Country Craft Creations. I also used some, can't even think what they're called, but they're flat enamel dots. Yes. Left this blank for a photo. This, you can put a photo here, got area here. Flip this back. We have this flips up. You can put photos. It comes out. So we have a pocket here, a flat pocket. I use puffy stickers here. We still have room for a photo in here. You could do that, or one here and the smaller ones up there. Opens this up this way. Over here on the far right side, I put a cut apart. This flips open, so we have a area here for photos and here. And then on the inside section, we have a belly band back here. Oh, actually, it's a tuck spot, sorry, with a belly band on the photo mat so that you could stick a photo in there or glue it, attach it down on top. So this just slides in here. This flips back. We got areas for photos. Close that up. This flips to the left. We have tuck spot here. Use some more of the puffy sticker down here and one of the brads. Now these are not brads with prongs, which makes it really nice that you can use them for decorating. Nothing gets hung up on them. They have adhesive on the back. So that's a cut apart, and then I folded up a scrap of paper, made us another booklet here, and added a cut apart on the front. Put that in. And this one has the flip here. Left this open for pictures as well as these two. And then this flips back. Here on the right, we have two tuck spots. So you can put a big mat, photos, anything, whatever you want inside there. And then this is the pocket. This flips up and then down. I did no decorating because I wanted to leave it pretty flat in here. And then this is the box pocket. So there's a lot of room, and you'll notice that there's nothing inside the pocket yet. That's because my second project I'm going to design with this collection for Country Craft Creations will fit inside this pocket. So first there will be a tutorial for this folio album, and should have it in the next several days. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so that you'll get and click the bell so that you'll be notified when the tutorial is ready, and we'll get to crafting together. Thank you so very much for checking out my video, and be sure to check out countrycraftcreations.com for your crafting supplies. You'll find the collection while supplies last. Other new collections are added to the store all the time, the online store. Ribbons that you see here, the ephemera, the embellishments, the brads, and the puffy stickers and the chipboards, as well as cardstock, artisan cardstock. This is the craft artisan cardstock that I use for this project. And so you'll find all your crafting supplies there. And again, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.